All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Or let me just say good morning. I don't know where you stay in the corner of the world, but for to me, it's a morning. And I would like to wish you a good day as usual. This is me, the content. And as usual, I'm going to request you to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm going to today, let me tell you, the topic of today is GCV. Many people they don't want to understand that GCV, that Pi will be a stable coin, a digital currency, that Pi will be what? I have tried to mention it several times, but people have been refusing it. But today, this is the only topic I'm bringing, and I'm bringing the topic with the fact. By my dear. Okay, I'm first going to go. Let me first use Google because Google has been so good to me. And it has helped me to track this project since, and it has just made my points so amazing. So I'm going to search for Pi Network, okay, on Google. Pi Network GitHub code, okay. You can just Pi Network GitHub code. It's just making a simple search. But before I tell you to trust this source, I'm first going to explain what is GitHub. GitHub is an open source. When I talk about an open source, how does GitHub works? For example, 2 or 3 programmers are working on the same project. They might be in different office or maybe different area, or maybe they are in different countries. So the only open source that they prefer to use is GitHub, because GitHub allows different users to work on the same project in the So GitHub, it's just an open source for programmers and for big companies which are doing an IT project, as long as it includes designing where they can save an open source, because they can be doing a certain job and every job is kept in the server, in the machine, and you find that the server is a little bit, you find the machine is stolen, and one of the programmer lose every content that he has been designing, because programming is not easy. So when I talk about GitHub, at first, it's an open source. So Pi Network has used the GitHub to build its project, which is called Pi Network. I don't know, I have seen many people are saying, what is in a blockchain? It's not that, it's not that. My dear, I am a programmer. I always do a cooperation with people in the US, people across of Africa doing the same project. We all of us do the project on the what? We do the project on we normally do the project on a GitHub. So there should be no comment, because we all programmers, they access GitHub, they create an account. Most big projects, programmers keep adding things on the GitHub. So when you see something on GitHub, okay, let me just talk about it. It doesn't mean what you see on GitHub is connected to what? To the blockchain. Unless when some API of blockchain is integrated in the codes that are being presented at the GitHub. So I am trying to show you what programmers of Pi Network, the popular programmers, the Dr. Nicholas, Kosasi, plus there's another one, 3, what they are programming for Pi Network before you just guys give up. Because I know most of you have said the only price of Pi Network, what we have seen is just what is on OKX or BitGet. No, this project is beyond the imagination. So I'm just going to open here Pi apps, the first one, so that we see. Okay, when I open just like this, I just reach to the codes or programmers of Pi Network. So now maybe I'm just going to go, you see, these changes 4 years ago, 7 years ago, 6 years ago, these ones we see here, they were, Nicholas Kalikis is the one who integrated them. Now let's look for what? For Pi apps. I'm just going to open this first one called Pi apps. Okay. Now if I open Pi apps, they are telling me that Pi apps has 46 repositories. You see, I'm just going to go to repositories. Repository means that they are like storages of things that they have done. Okay, Pi Network have done a lot of things. They have installed and they have programmed for Silk Road, for Latin Chain, Stellar Core, Pi Ruby. You see, Pi Ruby is just recent, 3 weeks ago. There is Pi iOS, integrate speed, everything. But I want to show you how we decide and choose. There's for local commerce, Pi C Sharp, Pi. I'm just going now to pass to DOL to see each modification that has been made by each programmer. Let's go pass here to DOL, DOOR. We pass to DOL, because when we pass to DOL, at least we can go and see one programmer to another. There is this one, Gia Quanti. This is also a programmer, but if you come here, there are 3 programmers, 3 people who are working on this project in terms of programming. You get? Which means the only 3 people who are they are only the team of 3 people. There is Kosasi, is Nicholas Karikis, is this Gia Quanti. There are 3 people that are programming for Pi Network. Now, I can at least choose one. Let me choose for Kosasi. Even if I choose for Kokaris, even if I choose Gia Quanti, I'm going to see some of the details. Let me tell you, choose Kosasi for you guys to see that what I'm talking is real. Kosasi has tried to integrate different things here. There's a lot of repositories for Mr. Kosasi. You see, there's a lot of things that he's editing about the project. But when I can let me first go to the repositories of Kosasi. He has made almost 896 repositories. Those are the repositories on 60 project. You get? And he got a star, 8 star. 8 star, that means that there have been people who have been watching his codes have ranked him up to the 8 star. You guys, you need to understand this. This is okay. This is the world of programmers, but at least you guys, if you don't know something, do not just go and start to say something is not real. Just look for some people who knows it. So we are now in the codes of Pi Network. I'm just going to open repositories of Kosasi. We are on Kosasi, only Kosasi. Some people have been saying, you just do audios, we don't maybe get you, but no. Sometimes we are even tired of talking things that we have been talking for so long. Okay, I'm going to talk about 3 things. Pi Stable Revolver Core. This is an injection. This is something that he programmed. It was an injector he was putting for Pi Stable Revolver Core. Okay, those people who doesn't believe that Pi Network will be a stable, you can see the core repository for Pi Stable project designed to transform Pi coin into a stable coin pegged at which Pi, this shows really what these guys they have been working on. Look at Stable Pi Core. Stable Pi Core is the next generation decentralized ecosystem that integrates blockchain, quantum AI, edge computing, and look at what these guys that they have been. You see, Ella's Shield. Let's look for Ella's Shield and see what is this thing that Kosasi programmed called Ella's Shield. Ella's Shield is a decentralized AI powerful financial system for stabilizing the value of Pi coin at 314,159, combining a blockchain machine running and cybersecurity. Ella's Shield ensures the security, scalability, and the decentralization of Pi coin ecosystem. You see, this is a programmed AI tool that will help Pi Network to be what? To be a stable coin. You see, guys, I have been talking about this. We told people they are putting even the amount of money that Pi Network, its price will be. Okay, at the first time, by the time Open Network was out, now let me tell you, you can ask me, so now what do we see? at the blockchain. What you see is what we call IOU power, IOU price of Pi network. This is what we are trading. But the real price of Pi network as a digital currency, we are going to see it in the future, and the future of Pi network is so bright. So these are the, if you go there, if I come just here, I can see a lot of things that they have done. Now, this is Kosasi. Kosasi have been programming. Look for Quantum Pi network. This one was edited last 2 days ago. Last time we said that Pi network is building a Quantum Pi network, a cutting-edge blockchain project aimed at launch a Quantum Pi mainnet featuring Pi coin as a stable currency, valued at 314, 300. It is even right. Let us open it. Because guys, it's like we are telling death. We told you guys stop. These Africans, I don't know what's wrong with you in your head, you Africans. You're taking your mined Pi coins and you are just spending it at 0.7 price at any exchange. You guys, you will cry in the future. You will be like the other Bitcoin pizza man who sold his Bitcoin to buy one pizza like this for the family. And now he's crying, saying that if he could know, you guys, you will say, if we could have known. This is what, you see, this one is 2 days ago. This update is 2 days ago for Quantum Pi network. A Quantum Pi network is a cutting-edge blockchain project aimed at launching a Quantum Pi mainnet featuring Pi coin, a stable digital currency valued at 300. You see? But you check, Kosasi GitHub what? It is an MIT. MIT. Do you know what means MIT? Look for Kosasi is a popular person at this platform, whether you accept or not. These are just for 2 days ago, 4 days ago. He has been building this Quantum Pi network. Guys, you don't understand. We have talked about it. We are almost going to die because of talking about it. But sincerely speaking, I am trying to explain what these guys are doing to this project of Pi network. And remember to what the other woman said that don't let the noise distract you. But you guys, you are distracted, you are disparate, you are just there. I have tried to explain everything. The abusers are in the comments saying that you are talking what you don't know. The price is already 0.7. No, man, you don't know what you're talking about. Pi network is a very good product that is out, that we are supposed to join and keep waiting. We are not supposed to let the noise that distracts us. Guys, I will talk about to each thing that is already here, so that you guys are going to understand. I can even go, there's a look at everything. Pi supernode. You see, the supernode was into Pi Stellar Nexus protocol. Quantum Pi stablecoin. You see, Quantum Pi is QPi. QPi stablecoin is the official repository of which aims to transform Pi coin quantum secure stablecoin pegged at. What do you guys want us to talk about? I don't know. I have tried to give you guys, you are selling your Pi network as if it's nothing. Huh? So what do you want me to do? I know even after this video, there's some guys who are going to start abusing us, saying, you don't know what you're talking about. Pi network, there will be no any other price. Okay, sometimes we ourselves will keep quiet because we know what we are talking. But if we, after finding that we are like almost tired, we just say, we are just done with you guys. Okay, so since, this guy has made 4 repositories. He has made a blockchain demo, support tools, public, private key demo. Okay. Carol questions and answers platform. Okay. This is for Kokalis. Okay. This is for Kokalis. Okay. This is what he has been doing. And okay, let's see this programmer also above, because this one is also tough. Okay. All right. Okay. This one has also committed. Mastodon, your self-hosted globally. PDAO, this one has integrated the PDAO, the one that we have been talking about. You see, a free service. I think, guys, what we are showing you, we are showing a clear what is happening on Pi Network GitHub's account. You don't want to believe it, but sincerely speaking, what we are telling you is true. So guys, thank you very much. I've tried to highlight and showing you what is already happening in the core team of Pi Network. Whether I believe or not, I don't care. But I have already given you what I'm supposed to give you so that you can understand what is happening in this world. Guys, those who are my followers, I would like to request you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can push forward to the next level. Thank you very much. God bless.